What's an ASIN targeting campaign in Amazon PPC and when should you use it? So the ASIN targeting, basically what this is, whenever it comes down to targeting, there are two targeting types. You can target either keywords, so words itself, whenever someone is looking for a product on Amazon. Giving you an example, this is a Blistex medicated mint balm. So whenever they would look for this product, they would look up with those keywords, right? But what else can happen? They can target this listing, right? So the identifier on Amazon of this listing, so your product is going to show up on that product. So basically that is ASIN targeting campaign. And when should you use it? I believe you should be using it all the time. You should first prioritize keyword targeting because that is most effective. However, it's going to become very effective ASIN targeting whenever you're in a very expensive niche. This is something that we're seeing on our end. Right now, we just onboarded a client this week, and what we're seeing on their end, the cost per click for specific search terms that are describing their product is around $5. So we want to win for those search terms, in this case keywords. What we noticed is that if we're going to write that specific keyword within the search bar, there are going to come up many competitor products against which we have a competitive advantage. For example, our pricing is better than theirs, we have multiple reviews, we have brand recognition, we are backed by someone who's an influencer in the industry. So in that case, whenever we would be advertising on their listings, we have a competitive advantage against their listings. So in that case, what we want to see is if ASIN targeting is going to be cheaper for us, we are going to go ahead and target those ASINs. ASIN targeting is something that you can apply anytime within your account, especially when it's a very competitive niche. Should you start first with ASIN targeting or should you start with keywords targeting? And that's when I would recommend first look up keyword targeting, how much does it cost, and then how well do you convert. If that is very expensive for you, look up ASIN targeting.